And still showcasing to you the culture and the tradition of Ghana, and this time once again inside the Ashanti region of Ghana. You know, when it comes to the Ashanti region, they have a whole lot of foodstuffs, traditional foodstuffs, and this is one of the foodstuffs, and the local name is Nuhuu. Yes, one of the beautiful, palatable and delicious foodstuffs over here in the Ashanti region of Ghana. And you know what, I joined this school in the Ashanti region of Ghana, and this time they are preparing these local foods with their kids, that's the peoples, showing them how these foods are prepared in a very delicious way. And now they are done with the Nuhuu, and the teachers are going to let us know how they prepare that, so that you also learn something from that. So let's watch the video, and let me ask you, the question I'm asking is that, have you taken this food before? Have you eaten Nuhuu before? How was the taste? Let's hear from you at the comment section. Don't forget to be part of this wonderful family as we explore and discover a whole lot across the continent of Africa and in Ghana. So this actually took place during the Ghana month. Yes, and as you can see, the peoples are dressed in their local outfit, and the same applies to the teachers. As you can see clearly, that's the headmaster over there, down there. Yes, with that wig, and it looks splendid with that red tie over there. And every teacher, almost every teacher, is dressed in their traditional clothes, making it splendid over there in that school. That's a school in the Ashanti region of Ghana. Yes, so that is it. How is the celebration at your end when it's Ghana month? Every month of March. Yes, how is the celebration, and how is the experience in these local and traditional food over there? Have you eaten it before? Let's know at the comment section, and then we take it from there.
Wow, we did that. Say that here. We are not the two, Mr. We are the two. Why? Was it a man? No one to chat. No one knows. We are no even one put up. I have found their phone. And the new one never be at Janet Money for the morning. Manka, Mr. Ghana, and the Papa. I can't go on the Pampa. Son of the who can wait? Ghana, Freddie, you may throw Opa, catch maame ana ona na wonye bi mamo na di ade aburu se amode a edi amode na obenya se we boso bi a odi we ba ko na odi ba ko na ba ko hospital ade hospital wo ko bi da